Hello, Petra. Hello, Nicole. Hello, Natalie. Hello, Layden. Hello, Aiden, Jocelyn, Caitlin. Hello, Dasha. Hey, Jocelyn. Okay. Can you hear me, Dasha? Okay. I'm back up here. Question, Natalie? Yeah, we are past the first and into the second. Okay, so let's see. We have Evelyn, we have Catherine, we have Aiden, Jocelyn, Caitlin, we have Layden, we have Joshua joining, we have Natalie, Nicole, Dasha, and Beatrice. So let's open our math book to page number 257. 257. Okay, so remember a couple months ago, I was going to say a couple years ago, it's actually what it feels like. But remember a couple months ago, we learned about rounding to the nearest number. We learned about rounding to the nearest 10. Today, we're going to talk about rounding to the nearest dollar. Okay, this is dealing with money. So if I look here, let me get you switched. I don't change. Okay, do you still see me in the big board? Okay, so I'm going to now go to the nearest dollar. Victoria's joining Dasha in class. She is so cute. Your mom must be standing right beside you because she's looking at her, right? Hey, Miss Decasilla. So we're learning about rounding to the nearest dollar. Hey, Victoria. How you doing? So I'm looking at $7.10. So I'm going to ask myself, $7.10 falls between what $2? It falls between $7 and it falls between $8. Which one is it closer to? Natalie. No, I only have 10 cents, so it's closer to $7. So let's see how I figured that out. Sometimes I can just ask myself that question and find out the answer. Okay? Other times I need to look at my number right after the decimal point. Now what number is right after the decimal point? Nicole. Not 10, the one number. 1. So let's look at my 1. Remember, if anything is below 5, my rounding always goes backwards. If anything is 5 or bigger, my rounding always goes to the next one. So because this 1 is less than 5, I'm going to go backwards to the lowest amount. Okay? So let's look here, $101.85. If I ask myself what dollars does $101.85 come in between? So what's the first one that it is? Joshua. What does $101.85 come in between? Anybody know? Raise a hand. Aiden. No, $101. Let me see. Is that better? We see that better. Right here, $101.85. What does that come? What two numbers does that come in between, Jocelyn? Good job. It comes in between $101 and $102. So, which one is it closer to? Is it closer to $101 or is it closer to $102? Gotcha. Good job. $102. Why? If I look at the number right after my 1, it is a number 8. Okay? And my 8 is bigger than 5. So therefore, I'm going to go up to my next number. Okay? So let's look at this one. So we should be filling these circles in as I am doing them. That way you have the answer right. I'm going to take some of them off the board so I can write them a little bit bigger. And you're not confused on which numbers I'm doing. So, $27.62. What does $22.62, what does it fall between? Donald? And 27. Now, whenever I ask what it falls between, always look at your dollar and ignore the cents. So it automatically falls in between $27 and then what comes after 27? 28. $27.62 did not hit $28 yet. So now, which one am I going to round this to? Which one is it going to go to, ladies? You're muted on your side. There we go. Yep. 27. So $27.62 is closer to 27. 28. Why? If I look at the number right after my decimal point, right here, my number is 6. And because my 6 is bigger than 5, it's going to go up to the next number. Okay? $9.52. Evelyn, what does $9.52 come in between? $9. I always want to do my first number first, and $10. Catherine, what is $9.52 closest to? $9 or $10? 10, very good. Why? If I look at my 5, which is right next to my decimal point, if I have a number that's 5 or higher, it always goes to the next highest number. Nicole. Sure. Yep. Just leave this class open and then come back. Okay. So let's look at this one. $6.48. Natalie. And $7. And Dasha, which one am I going to round it up to or down to? Dasha. $6. Good job. Because my number right after the decimal point is 4, and because it's lower than 5, it's going to go backwards to the lowest number. Anybody got a question on that? Okay, so I want you to do letter F by yourself. Letter F by yourself. Caitlin, which one did we pick? $30 or $31? $30. Good job. So letter F should be $30. Let's look down to number 2. Solve the story problem. Alex received $20 for his birthday. He gave $2.50 at church and spent $10.95 for a new bike helmet. How much money does he have left? So how much did he receive? $20. Then he gave $2.50 to the church, and he spent $10.95 on a bike helmet. How much does he have left? So this is what I should be seeing. Make sure you copy how to do this. I will read it in a minute, in case you can't see it. So, on your worksheet, put $20 minus, put the beginning of a parentheses like that. Inside the parentheses, put $2.50 plus $10.95. Then close the parentheses and put equal. And we can work this one when we have some free time to work our math problem. I want to look down to the next story problem. The next story problem has a couple different steps to it that I want us to pay attention to. Where it's still down. Madeline has 4 pairs of red socks, 6 times as many pairs of blue socks as white pairs of socks, and 1/4 as many white pairs of socks as red pairs. How many pairs does she have in all? So she has 4 pairs of red socks, 6 times as many blue socks as white socks, which I don't know the answer to yet, and 1/4 as many white pairs as red. So 1/4 of 4 in order to find the white. So this is white. Oh, can't spell. This is blue. This is red. So I want to find, the first thing I want to do is find 1/4 of 4. So I'm going to divide 4 by 4. What's 4 divided by 4? Donald. No. David? 1. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So now, in order to find the blue socks, I need to do 6 times 1. 6 times 1 equals 6. So now they want to know how many pairs do they have in all. So I'm going to do 4 plus 6 equals plus 1 equals, and what is my final answer, Evelyn? Nope, 4 plus 6 equals plus 1 equals 11. So my final answer for the first one is 11. So now, let's look at the second part of this problem. How many socks does Madeline have? She has 11 pairs of socks. So how many individual socks does she have? Aiden. If she has 11 pairs of socks, how many socks does she have? Jocelyn. 22. Why? In each pair of socks, how many socks do you have? 2. Because a pair always involves 2. So 11 times 2 equals 22. So your second question should answer 22. Okay? Natalie. Mm-hmm. Oh. Cool. That was a good one. So let's look at number 3 on the back. 3,219 divided by 6. Let's say my 6th family, let's write my 6th family, or say it with me as I'm saying it. Ready? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. So I'm going to look at what number first. I'm going to look at the 3. Can 3 be divided by 6? Shake your head yes or shake your head no. Can 3 be divided by 6? No. So I put a 0 and I cross it out. Move over to the 32. 32 divided by 6, Evelyn. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I get a little bit lower? Yes. 5. So this is why when we write our family on the side, it kind of just helps us out that if we get stuck on it, we can check it out. 5 times 6 equals, Evelyn? 30. And then we subtract. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Is 2 smaller than 6? Yes. So we bring down our 1 and we start all over again. Donald, can I divide 21 by 6? Is 21 bigger than 6? Yeah, so therefore I can divide 21 by 6. So what number here is close to 21 without going over? Oh, 24 is bigger. 18. So how many did I count down, Donald? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 3 up top. And then 3 times 6 equals 18. And then I'm going to subtract. Can I subtract 1 minus 8? No, so I got to borrow from the 2, make it a 1, make my 1 an 11. 11 minus 8 equals 3. Is 3 smaller than 6? Yes, so I'm going to bring down my 9, and my new number is 39. Catherine, what is 39 divided by 6? Catherine, got it? What's 39 divided by 6? Okay, if I count it down 2, what am I getting, Catherine? 12. Let's look down here. What number down here is close to 39 without going over? 36. So count, how many did I count down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's my answer up top is going to be 6. Okay? So 39 divided by 6 equals 6. 6 times 6 equals what, Joshua? 6 times 6 equals 36. Good job. And then I'm going to subtract. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Is 3 smaller than 6? Yes, so I'm going to write my remainder 3. Yep. And if I want to check it, I'm going to take my answer, 536 times 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. Put my 6 down, carry my 3. 6 times 3 equals 18, plus 3 equals 21. 6 times 5, remember, if I get stuck, just count down the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 times 5 equals 30, plus 2 equals 32. Don't forget to add my remainder 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 3 plus 0 equals 3. And if my answers are the same, then my problem is right. Natalie. That is if they're saying to write the remainder as a fraction. Okay? Which you can do. Even if they don't say to write the remainder as a fraction, you can write the remainder as a fraction. Okay? So, but if they don't say to write the remainder as a fraction, then I can just write the 3 up there. Okay? Any other questions? Sasha. As a fraction, you can. Oh, when I check it, I still just add my numerator or the number I put down here. Okay? Any other questions? Okay, so let's look at our back page. We're going to do all of number 1, which we did together on page 257. We're going to do all of number 2. We did letter B together, and I told you how to do letter A. Number 3, you're going to do all of number 3. We did this one together, and then I want you to do letter B on your own. We're going to do all of number 4. Cross out number 5. Cross out number 6. And do all of number 7. Don't worry about the brain booster. Okay, and we got a half hour in between this class and our language class. So if you're done math, you get a half hour break. If not, this half hour is a good time to finish math or any of our other series that is not finished. Also a good time just to get up, stretch your legs a little bit. Even if you're not finished, you get up, at least walk around, stretch, things like that, even if it's just for a couple seconds. Have a good half hour break, and I will see you guys in a half hour. Catherine. Yes, you have to do number 4. You're welcome.